Let's see in this exercise how to draw a 135-degree angle using the compass and straight edge only. 135 degrees is the result of the sum of 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. So we are going to find out a 90-degree angle, then the 45-degree angle using the 90-degree angle bisector, and we are going to add both angles. First of all, for drawing the 90-degree angle, using point A as center and the radius we want, we draw an arc that meets semi-straight line R at point 1. With the same radius and with point 1 as center, we draw an arc that meets the former arc at point 2, getting the 60-degree angle. Using the same radius and point 2 as center, we draw another arc that meets the first one at this point 3, getting another 60-degree angle. If we draw the angle bisector of the second 60-degree angle, we get the 30-degree angle, which added to the first 60-degree angle equals the 90-degree angle. Using point 3 as center, we draw an arc, the same radius, that meets the last one at point 4, getting the 90-degree angle. If we draw the angle bisector of this 90-degree angle, we get the 45-degree angle. Using points 1 and 5 as centers and the same radius, the one we want, we draw two arcs that meet at this point 6. The semi-straight line that starts at point A and goes through point 6 forms a 45-degree angle with semi-straight line R. If we want to add the 45-degree angle to the 90-degree angle, we have to copy the 45-degree angle next to the 90-degree angle. For doing so, we will copy the length of the chord 1, 7 from point 5, getting this point 8. If the angle intercepted by arc 1, 5 is 90 degrees and the angle intercepted by arc 5, 8 is 45 degrees because we have copied the angle intercepted by arc 1, 7, the sum of both, that is, the angle intercepted by arc 1, 8 is 90 degrees plus 45 degrees, the 135-degree angle asked.